Be strong and healthy, my friend. My name is GoldHand, and today I'm going to introduce my package that I wrote to analyze the financial market called GoldHand. And so we are going to get the information what is basically the GoldHand package does, and then in the second part of the video I'm going to show my code also. So if you don't know coding yet, no worries, that's a really amazing opportunity to learn, and I'm going to show you how you can start it with just a very simple Google Drive. So let's start it with the Google Collaboratory. So what the hell is that? So it's basically how can you create a simple Python session in your Google Drive. So first you have to click new, and then more, and then more applications. So most likely you don't have the Google Collaboratory here if you are doing that for the first time. Then if you click here to more, then you have to just type here Collaboratory. Yes, and then you have to install that. So click here and then click install. And after you installed this basically an extension, then you can create a new Collaboratory file. And when you open that, this is a very simple Python session, and you can immediately start writing Python codes. So 2 + 3, and then pressing Shift Enter is going to run the actual cell, and then you can see the result. Okay, so I can close it, and even I can delete this file because it was just a simple demo. And most of my code is going to be uploaded to GitHub. So GitHub is the social media for developers. So it's kind of Instagram for the guy who really like coding. And then they can show here what they can do. Mishrori, GoldHandTrading. This is the actual website where I'm uploading my codes, and there's a file called GoldHand Stock and Trading View. And if you click that, you can open in Colab if you click here to this file. And that's really cool because you will get the same file that I'm going to introduce right now, and it is here. So if you already know what is Python and you are good at it, you can just simply install the package called GoldHand, and you have to import basically everything from that, but you can also import just some modules of this. And if you load that, then one of the class of the GoldHand package called TV, which is basically downloading every single information from TradingView. So TradingView is the source of our datasets, and let me show you what actually means. So tradingview.com is amazing website and collecting most of the financial data markets, and there is a product screeners and stock screeners. And if you open this website, you will see that there are more than 7,500 stocks available in this website. And you can see that now Microsoft is the biggest market capitalization, has the biggest market capitalization, $2.9 trillion, and Apple is the second one, and they are extremely close to each other. And there are price per earning and so many other stuff. If you click here, then you can see that there are lots of technical indicators and also so many fundamentals. And you can analyze this kind of data really easily. That's one site that I'm downloading when you just load the TradingView package, TradingView class. And there is another one, the crypto coins. Here you can see the crypto prices, and there was another one called ETFs, screeners, ETFs. and so many interesting data. There are more than 3,000 here as well. So when you just write that simple line, it's automatically going to download the stock, the crypto, and the ETFs data. This is how the stock looks like. So you can see that Microsoft is the biggest one. There's a closing price and so many other columns here. And here I just going to transform it, and then you can see the columns. So this is the stock data, and just check out how many columns do you have. You have the high of the 3 months, the low, and there is 1 year, 5 year performance, and Bollinger Band, exponential moving average, MACD. These are all technical indicators, and you can just check them what they actually means. And this one is for crypto, and you can see Bitcoin is the biggest one, Ethereum is the second one, and then these are the columns that I'm just downloading with the crypto data. And the third one is the ETF data. The biggest ETF is the S&P 500, and then there's an iShare. Yeah, so many interesting cool data, and then you can just basically download it. Very, very simple. So this is the first features that I just showed. And if you use the TradingView object that you created here, then you will get some functions like get plotly titles. And if you specify what is the ticker name that you want to get some information, it's automatically give back a text for you that you can use as a plot text, for example. And here you can also show of the specified ticker, where is it located in the sector or in the industry. So get sec plot, it means the sector location, and then you can see that Tesla is the first one in the sector, and it has really big market capitalization compared to the second one, and so on. And then you can also see the industry location of, let's say, the Coinbase. Then you can see the biggest company in this investment bank brokers industry is the Morgan Stanley, and then you can see what are the other companies. So that's, I think it's really cool, and you have to also check when you make a decision whether this stock is able to grow bigger or less. Yeah, so that's cool. Okay, the second class that I want to introduce is the GoldHand class, and it's basically downloading the historical data, which is the open, high, low, close value and the dates. That's the basic, and also the volume. And then I'm just adding so many other columns here, like what is the ticker, what is the high and low divided by 2, so it's the mean of the high and low daily. The relative strength index, some simple moving averages, Bollinger Band, and also the difference between either the simple moving averages or the Bollinger Bands. And this one, I think it's really cool, the locals. So whether the row, the actual data of that row is a local minimum or maximum, and I defined the local minimums and maximums is if 30 rows, 30 days, so if the day has a minimum point which is lower than the surrounding 30 days, then in that case it's a local minimum. And then you can see what are the local minimums of Apple. So here you can see that there was a minimum, maximum, and then I'm using this local text to adding to the plot. And this is where it comes a bit more interesting. So I'm specifying a ticker, then I'm just creating a GoldHand object of that ticker, and I'm using to plot the last year, and I also give a title for that. So if you give a Bitcoin USD pair, it automatically recognizes what is going to be. It's in the crypto, that means the plotly title will return with the plotly with the crypto title, and this is how it looks like. So Bitcoin, these are the market capitalization, it's a layer 1, and this is the minimums and maximum that I just added here. So it looks quite cool. You can change the number of days. You can also change the ticker. So if I'm writing here now not just a crypto, I can also write a stock like Tesla, and it's going to analyze and visualize it. And look, the plot title, it looks really cool. Okay, so that's another feature. And you can control whether you want to add the local mins or max. If you don't want, that's totally fine. And GoldHand line indicator. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show what is the GoldHand line indicator actually does, because I think it's quite cool. It's a trend following indicator. It has a blue, a gold, and a gray part, and when it's gold, it's quite bullish. Then when it's gray, something is going on, but when it's blue, it might going to fall. And because it's a trend following indicator, it really works well when we are speaking about long-term trends. Yes, and I'm going to show you how you can add it also to trading view, this indicator. Yeah, so that was all of the really basic module of the GoldHand package, where I showed what is the GoldHand class, where you just specify a ticker, downloading the data, and with that object you can plot really nice and interactive plots. So for example, if you're interested what happened here, then you can just zoom in and you have a closer look for that part of the plot. Yes, and also how can you check the financial data coming from trading view, how you can just basically you can save it into your local environment, and you can do some further analytics on this, and how you can check the sector and industry location of any given ticker in the stock market. So again, the website is here, GoldHand. Yeah, this is the website of the package, and GoldHandTrading is the website where I'm going to just upload regularly the files that I'm going to show here in these videos. So you can come here and you can check that, and that's all of the first introduction. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can backtest a strategy. What is a strategy actually here, and also some really cool results that I just had in the analytics. So it's might going to be really interesting for you. And if you like that content, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button, click all, and see you in the next video. GoldHand out.